Today I'm going to find out if I can fix the chips in the windscreen of this old car. So this is my 1990 W124 Mercedes, which I picked up sight unseen at an auction a while ago. You can see that video here. And I had a look at it and figured out everything that was wrong. One thing that I found out was wrong, it has some chips on the windscreen. And I want to get them fixed so I don't have to end up replacing the whole windscreen. So I have got this windscreen repair kit designed to fix little chips in the glass. I got this particular kit for $25, on special was $35. It's a U-Fix-It repair kit and I got it from Repco. Not affiliated, they're not sponsoring it, but it's just the one I bought and it's the one I'm going to try out and see if it actually fixes this windscreen. These are the chips, so you've got one here, which is quite small, just a little tiny little chip on the surface, and then there's the bigger one here, so, which is turning into a star. I want to really make sure we get that one because I can see that starting to crack out. Let's have a look what's in the kit itself. So we have, of course, the instructions, and I should probably read through those. Don't lose these. We have these little, what do they call these? Like repair strips. So I think we put these on for the resin to cure. And we have, that'll be the razor blade inside there to scratch off the excess resin. We've got the succonator, which will go in the windscreen. That's going to screw down, and that screws down against the glass. It's got like a rubber tip on it there to push against the little chip in the glass. And finally, we've got the resin itself. Now, the first step, it says, is to clean the windscreen, so I'll do that. The next step is to position this applicator thing with the rubber nozzle directly over the actual chip of the glass so we can inject the resin into the hole. Alright, so it's there. Let me just wind that out until the suckers stick on. And let's push all the 4 suckers onto the glass. Okay, I've got a tight seal against the glass. Now this here is the pressure plunger, so what we do is we're going to put some drops of resin inside here and then we push that plunger down to squash the resin down into the glass. So put a few drops down in here, it says put about 6 drops, and now we squeeze it in with this pressure plunger. So we need to screw this out and in a few times just to let the air bubbles out. Gets a nice finished result. Now we just put a repair strip over the repair. So now the last step is just to park the vehicle in the sun, and we'll let the sun do its job and should harden that resin. We'll scrape it off with a razor blade. Okay, back out of the sun. I think the resin's cured. Let's pull off those strips and get rid of the resin. And there we have it. All that's left behind is a tiny little dot, which you probably can't even see on the video. I think it's worked quite well. Let's do the other one. And there we have the finished repair. So can we see there's a little spot here, that's that one, and over here this one didn't work quite as well. Maybe it was my technique, so I'm not blaming the product. My technique could have been a bit wrong. You can still see a bit of a mark there, but all in all it's a lot better than it was, and obviously a lot stronger than it was too, so really happy with that. So there you have it, a quick and easy fix for the chipped windscreen, and certainly a lot cheaper at $25 than trying to find a windscreen for a W124 that's 35 years old now. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give us a thumbs up. Otherwise, have a great day.